Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that how we can add or assign resources in MS Project. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, right now we have entered a very simple project plan for a software project. So let's assume that you are a project manager and you are implementing a software project. So the high level tasks in the software project are planning, software development, quality assurance, user acceptance testing, and production deployment. Now, first of all, we have to understand that what is the concept of resources. Friend, resources is a very basic concept in project management. That means the resources mean like hardware resources, like the human resources, and even cost is another resource as well. Time is also a resource. So basically resource is a very important basic concept. So right now, first of all, we have to enter resources in the MS project. For that purpose, we will click here and add one resource here. For example, software engineer is one resource, and the type is work. It's not a material. The initials are like engineer, and the utilization is 100%. Standard rate, whatever you want to enter. The overtime rate you have to enter, and cost per use, and the accrue and the baseline calendar you can ignore for that moment. So basically friends, see from here that we have entered a basic one resource here. Here remember that resources can be of three type: work, material, and cost. So we have entered a resource of software engineer. Now from here, like this is the option. From here we will return back on the Gantt chart, and now we can assign a resource to that particular task. Software development. For software development we need a software engineer. So we will click here, and in the resource tab there is an option assign resources. We will click here. Okay, so see, this option is coming. Software engineer is already coming. So you can assign, for example, you have to assign like 100 units and the cost. Okay, once you enter, you will notice that the dialog is not closed, dialog is still open. So there is an option of close. So by entering the close option you can close it. Okay, so we have closed that, and then you can see in the resource name this is coming as resource name as well. Okay, and this is the view also. So in that way you can enter. Also, this is in that way we have assigned a resource to the software development. Also you can do like right click, double click on that, and once you go on that, so resources can be visible from here as well. So there are basically you can also visibility is also available from in the resource tab from here as well. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you friends.